In this recording, we are going to see how you can add team members or assign team members to your project. This is done by the project manager who has been assigned to the project. In previous recordings, we created a product or a system here called airline system. And we also created 3 projects under that product. Let me open this project ticket counter. When you open a project, the first thing you will see is the project dashboard. I have not configured the dashboard yet. I could if I want to, but we'll leave it for a different recording. Now we need to add team members to this project. To do this, you expand the project tab, which would normally be expanded because the dashboard, which is under the project tab, is already open. You click on Manage Project Resources, then Project Team. Now you can see on the left all users who were created by the site admin for this site. These are the users you will see for any project on this site. On the right, you will see the team members who have been assigned to this project. If you're doing this for the first time, you will not see anyone on the right. Let's just add another team member by selecting and moving to the right. We need to specify the role of this person. Let's say this person will be doing QA. Now, we need to decide on access privileges. By default, everyone has read access to all project entities. Now, since this person is going to be a QA person, I can give him privilege to create and edit formal test cases and delete them. Remember, he can only delete the entities he creates. Also, informal test cases. If you want to make it easy, you can just select all. Of course, when a test fails, he will need to create issue reports. Also, he needs to have access to user stories, but probably read only, not create, update, or delete. Scenarios are part of the test process. Also, if they're using the use cases, they may need to create use case scenarios and delete them. Also, test sets. That's it for now. We also need to decide on collaboration privileges. Project-level collaboration means that the person can add and review a comment about almost anything in the project. Reviewing user stories, change requests, scenarios, formal test cases, informal test cases, and so on. I can also selecting all if I want to. I will click Save and go to the main screen and save again. This is simply how you add a team member.
We invite you to experience the full power of iALM-ai in your projects. The Ultimate package, including every platform component, is available free for 1 year for teams of up to 10 members. Complimentary online technical support is included. Visit iALM.ai to get started.